Hi, welcome to this brief video on the Applicant Data screen in the HR Data Manager. The Applicant Data screen can be accessed from the home screen at the top of the list. If I click on that, the Applicant Data screen automatically opens up, ready for me to add a new applicant. If you notice, the applicant number says new, and if I start typing, it automatically assigns a system assigned number. And I can continue entering information, or in this case I'm going to hit escape and tell it that I don't want to enter a record right now. The alternative to entering a new record is selecting an existing person from the list. This screen here has the basic demographic information, the applicant information tab, including first name, middle name, last name, gender, ethnicity, veteran status, driver class in case you specifically need somebody with commercial license, things like that, citizenship, nationality. These things will port over to the employee records if you choose to import that employee or that applicant as an employee later on. Down below we have the applicant history section, so you can see all the occurrences or all the positions in the past that applicants applied for. So in this case, this applicant's applied as a computer support technician and they were not hired, and then later on they applied as a manufacturing process engineer and were not hired. I can enter a new record at the bottom. The asterisk row here allows me to go ahead and enter a new row. I'm not going to enter one now, but if we wanted to, we could enter that there. Even though new records are entered at the bottom, when you close out and go back in, it'll always show whatever the latest application date is as the top, and it orders descending from there. So we have the job title, and if I press job detail, if the job description information has been defined over in the job data section, that'll all show up here, and that job data section is covered in a separate video. But the only thing the system requires is a job title. But if you choose to enter the additional information, it can come in handy. For example, here it's sometimes nice to have a job description when you're doing interviews and other considerations. And then over here we've got a details where I can track additional information that doesn't fit on that screen, including reference comments, whether or not they were interviewed, and interview comments. If an offer's been made, I can document the details of the offer. There's other tabs across the top here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Applicant References. This allows me to actually track specific references, what the reference result was. This list can be modified as you need, but comes with a default of recommend or could not verify or recommend, and tracks the phone number and any general comments. Applicant skills can be tracked, which are good for if you're looking for specific skills as related to a specific job. The applicant contact information, mailing address, physical address, phone numbers, email. Documents in case you want to tie a resume or other things to this record. The documents are not stored in the database, but they're linked to a location on your network or computer where you have them stored, and by linking them here you've got quick and easy access since they're related directly to that applicant. And then essentially a communication log if you want to document that they were contacted on a certain date for a certain reason, that sort of thing. So that's just a brief and general overview of the applicant screen. Please check out our other videos at www.hrdatamanager.com. Thank you for your time.